Hello everyone, welcome back to channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today we are going to see one of the very common interview questions, and it's kind of a little funny interview questions that can be asked in the interview. I know to analyze your knowledge on Road to 3. So now the interviewer may ask you the question is like, so what is number 53 represent in Road 53? Okay, so once upon a time, when I was attending interview, I used to get the question like, so why AWS has been named the Route 53 as a Route 53? Why not is Route 54? Okay, so I was surprised, So at that particular time, it's been 5 to 6 years before, and I used to get this particular question, and but at that time, I'm not sure what is Route 53 is all about, right? So why they have named it as a 53? Okay, so the answer for this question, what is the number represents the 53 in Route 53 is that. Okay, so in the context of Amazon Route 53, the number 53 refers to the TCP/IP UDP port number where the DNS service server request or addressed, which means that so if you can go and ask somebody that what is the port number of DNS, okay, the port number of DNS is nothing but 53. Okay, so that is the reason why the AWS has been named this particular services as a Route 53. So basically, if you wanted to know more about Route 53 and the protocol, the 53, and then because the very few services like very few services like Route 53 and the DNS services will use both UDP and TCP on the same number. Okay, for example, if you wanted to go for HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so HTTP is working on 80 port 80, and then HTTPS is working on port number 443, right? So similarly, but similarly, the DNS port number, both TCP and UDP, so both the requests will be work on single number, which is 53. Okay, so that is the reason why the AWS is named the this particular services as a Route 53. Okay, so if you get this kind of a tricky questions in the interview, now you know how to answer it, right? So this question is very important, guys. If you wanted to crack interviews, you should be understanding what is Route 3 and why it's been used and all these things, right? So thank you so much for watching. I hope this particular interview question will be really helpful for you to prepare the interview. If you go for interview, or if you are attending interview, or if you're preparing for the solution architect exams. So this kind of a questions will be really helpful for you to just understand what is the DNS services, how this works, and so how to answer to the questions in the interview and all this stuff. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you wanted to get more videos like this, please stay tuned, and we'll be posting a lot of videos like this in the future. Thank you, guys.